if you switch from a site to a library, there is a label change in that search box. I think it says something like search in SharePoint or search in site or search in list.
Yes, exactly. So search this list, search this site. And I think it's logical, like the way how it's built, there is a logic in there, which might be confusing, but it has like a certain logic, right? So you are within the list, you start the search, right? So you are looking for information within that list. The challenge is like you have that tab open and then suddenly, and you want to find some information. And then you trigger like, you still like have the same context, the list and the search box. You go into search box and you type something because you want to find information within SharePoint, within your intranet. And it will again just look within that list. So that's where I think it can become confusing for users.
It's putting quite a lot of knowledge on the shoulders of the user to know the difference between these pieces of SharePoint architecture. Because as an employee, you are somewhat familiar with the concept of the intranet, right? So you've opened the browser, you're in the company's intranet, you're looking for information. You aren't necessarily thinking about what a site is, what a list is, what a library is when you're running a switch.
What a hub site is.
Yeah, when you're in the intranet. So it's requiring that the end user understands a little bit about how SharePoint is architected in order to be able to get the results that they're looking for. And I think that's a pretty tough expectation to have.